Hello everybody, welcome to iExamBee's Legal Bee. This is Amrita, your law faculty here at iExamBee. Embrace the iExamBee learning experience with us. And if you're preparing for any competitive examinations after your law, then you're at the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to Legal Bee and stay tuned with all the recent updates for government exam preparations and also for strategic preparation videos, updates, legal current affairs, etc. If you are preparing for these exams, you can check out our online courses that are available on www.iexambee.com. आप इन courses के demo भी activate करके देख सकते हैं. In case of any queries, you can also write us an email on hello@iexambee.com or you can call us on the number 920-5524028. Write to us in the comment section of this video. We will try to reply you as soon as possible over here also. Download our app for 50% faster job preparation. In today's video, I'm going to discuss with you all about the 3 new laws which are going to come into force from 1st of July 2024. But review of new criminal laws, whether review of these 3 new criminal laws is needed, this is a question mark because of the very recent move which has been made by the ex-bureaucrats of our country. एक्स ब्यूरोक्रेट से मेरा मतलब है एक्स आईएएस ऑफिसर्स, आईपीएस ऑफिसर्स, आईएफएस ऑफिसर्स, ये सारे लोग जो गवर्नमेंट में काम कर चुके हैं एंड राइट नाउ दे ऑल आर रिटायर्ड, दे ऑल हैव मेड अ वेरी रीसेंट मूव रिगार्डिंग द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ 3 न्यू क्रिमिनल लॉज. उन्होंने रिसेंटली एक लेटर भेजा है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया को. द एक्स ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, इनको एक्स ब्यूरोक्रेट्स कहते हैं because they are retired now, but they have quite a lot of experience of working in the government. So they have urged the government to defer the implementation of the 3 new criminal laws, that is Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Sakshya अधिनियम. सो ये तीनों का इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो 1 जुलाई से होने वाला है, इसको पोस्टपोन कर देना चाहिए अभी के लिए, ऐसा उन्होंने एड्रेस किया है अपने लेटर में. दे हैव मेंशन्ड द नीड फॉर बिल्डिंग नेशनल कंसेंसस एंड इथोस फॉर द सेम. नाउ अब इससे को रिलेटेड मुझे एक सिचुएशन याद आ रही है जब हमारे कंट्री में नोटबंदी हुई थी. फाइनेंशियली काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिवास्टेटिंग इफेक्ट्स हुए थे इसके बाद, बिकॉज जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है, ऐसा कई लोगों ने बुक्स में भी अभी भी मेंशन किया है दैट ये जो हुआ था ये अलग तरीके से होना चाहिए था अबाउट द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ द लॉज. So right now also some of the people of the country, and this is what the ex-bureaucrats have mentioned, that there is a need for building a national consensus and ethos for these laws in the country first. How much are we prepared to implement them at this moment? Whether these laws have been sufficiently checked by the opposition, whether there was an opportunity to get all the questions addressed by the union government. Has the union government addressed all the questions which are still persisting in these particular laws? ये उनका कहना है. उन्होंने ये लेटर एड्रेस किया है ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, ऑनरेबल होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, presidents of the national parties, presidents of state parties, members of the parliament, both लोक सभा as well as राज्य सभा को. उन्होंने रिक्वेस्ट किया है, 21 जून को ये लेटर इशू किया गया है और उसमें रिक्वेस्ट किया गया है दैट इसको अभी डिफर कर दिया जाए बिकॉज काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस अनआंसर्ड हैं. इसमें 109 सिग्नेटरीज हैं. द ग्रुप दैट इज एड्रेस्ड दिस लेटर इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कंडक्ट ग्रुप विच इज हैविंग 109 signatories for the letter. This group consists of retired IAS, IPS, IFS officers and even it includes the foreign ambassadors of India in various countries like Hungary, etc. ये लोगों ने सेक्रेटरी, डेप्यूटी सेक्रेटरी, इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर्स, पीडब्ल्यू डिपार्टमेंट्स, इवन आरबीआई डेप्यूटी गवर्नर भी है इसमें. ये सब पोस्ट पर इन लोगों ने काम किया हुआ है एंड दे अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर प्रीवियस एक्सपीरियंस हैव मेंशन्ड दैट we need to have some time for the implementation and address all the things that are persisting in these implementation of these 3 new criminal laws because this will affect the rights of the people. So how much are we prepared for it? This is a stance from the letter that they have addressed, which I have shared over here, to ensure that the democratic ethos of our republic is protected in letter and in spirit. We are of the view that it is incumbent on the Government of India to defer the date 1st July 2024 on which the three new laws are to come into force, and urgently call on an all-party meeting to develop a national consensus on how to take these three new laws forward, so as to completely remove all public concerns about the possible negative impact of these three new laws on the constitutional rights and civil liberties. So उनका ऐसा कहना है कि अभी के लिए आप इसको डेफर कर दीजिए, इसको आप पोस्टपोन कर दीजिए एंड कॉल एन ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग. उस मीटिंग में ये डिस्कस किया जाएगा कि इन these laws, how we have to take them forward, how we have to actually implement them and remove all the possible questions regarding these laws which are there in the minds of the public at large, because ultimately this is going to affect the rights of the public, and we are in a democratic country. To maintain our republic ethos as well, we have to take this move. This has been mentioned by them in the letter. So this is what is the update. Let us see what reply they received from the Government of India and what happens, whether these laws get implemented from 1st July or not. We being from the law discipline are much awaited that what happens, because this will decide what we have to study ultimately for our exam preparation as well. So don't forget to subscribe to Legal Bee. Prepare 50% faster with us at iExamBee. Download our app from the Google Play Store. Check out offline course access available on our app as well. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.